As in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a daily forecast weather widget to the standby lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen so that you can activate standby mode. So I'm going to go back to my home screen, then tap on settings. In settings, you want to scroll down and then tap on standby. Next, tap on the standby toggle button to switch it on, and then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now to go into standby mode, you need to lock your device and you need to place your phone on a charger, either a wireless charger or you can plug in the charging cable. Make sure you have power. Then wait for a few moments before your phone go into standby mode. Now in standby mode, there are 3 different screens. You want to swipe until you get to your widget screen. And from here, touch and hold on the widget. You can touch and hold on the left widget or on the right widget. Next, tap on the add button. And then we scroll down. And then tap on weather. In here, swipe across until you see it say daily forecast. Tap on add widget. And now it will get added to your widget stack. Then tap on done. Now if you want to change the location of your widget, you can tap on the widget itself and then tap on my location. So tap on location, and in the search text box, put in the name of the cities that you want to display. So here tap on search, and I'm going to choose San Jose location to display the weather details of that location. Then tap on a blank spot to close that. Then tap on done, and that's it. So now we have the San Jose weather details, daily weather details. So you got here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So that's just displaying 4 days in a row, and that's it. That is how you can add a daily weather widget to the standby screen on the iPhone 15 series. Now make sure your device is updated to iOS 17. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.